Hey Siri, turn on the office light. What's up, Internet? My name is Magus Santana. Welcome to The Office, where we discuss tech and the world around it. On episode 2 in the Room for Improvement series, today I am going to go through my closet. Now, while this may seem like a boring task to do on camera, I want to share this with you guys to kind of go through my thought process when it comes to improving productivity with my work. The first thing that I'm going to do is go through everything and pull it out and sort it out into different piles. One thing I really hate is when I buy something and I already have it, whether it be an extra HDMI cable, whether it be an adapter, just anything that I've wasted money on that I could have put towards another piece of gear. I'm very particular that way. So without further ado, let's go ahead and attack this closet, and I hope you enjoy. Roll the time lapse. These are the comic books that I mentioned in the first video. I have quite a bit of them that I've collected over the years. They're all DC because I'm a huge DC fan. So I hope to find a cool way to show these on my wall. If you have any suggestions, drop a comment down below on a way that you think I can display all of these cool comic books. I don't want to open them. I might frame them maybe, but these are a lot. So just give me some ideas. These collectibles I actually got in Austin, Texas at the Big Android Barbecue. And this was back in probably 2008, and I met a lot of great people. Some people that are still active to this day in the Android and mobile tech community. So shout out to everyone who was at the Big Android Barbecue. If you guys remember that or if you heard of it, definitely let me know down below. It was a great event. I feel like Ice Cream Sandwich or something like that was just launched around that time. It was a really fun time in technology, and so I have not opened these yet. These really bring back great memories. They're completely unopened. These are the collectibles that you normally would see people have them on their desk, and they have different like personalities and things like that, just like this. Yeah, and also has a mystery one. If you have any of these collectibles, definitely let me know. These are like, man, this takes me back. This really takes me back. So these right here are the medals that I won when I did the Spartan races back in 2016 with my wife. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will see that I made a post about this. This is one of my hardest accomplishments, doing all 3 of these races. Fun times. If you guys aren't in the Spartan races or haven't heard of them, definitely check them out. They're a great time and a great way to have some fun while getting fit. This is why you need to put your accomplishments up and show them in your office. So I want to find a cool way to display these because this is a pretty cool moment. Oh man, yo, trying to vlog with a 35mm 1.8 is the hardest thing ever. I cannot wait until I get the 18 to 35. So I am done working on the closet. I have pulled everything out. So I wanted to go through and show you guys some things that I found, and also some of the piles that I have. Because, you know, organization, you know, is key. I need to figure out how I'm going to put everything on these walls, as well as how I'm going to organize this closet. So let's get to it. All right, so again, I apologize if it is a little bit shaky. I'm going to try my best to keep it as open as possible. So these right here is some things I need to resell. These are all of my collectibles over here. All my backdrop stand and A-roll, you know, background and stuff like that. Everything right here is stuff I need to hang up and put on the walls, as well as, of course, these right here. So everything over here is stuff that's important to hang up. Again, comic books. I have some artwork from some friends, some medals, my degree, a couple certificates from, you know, professional certificates for work. Right here, I have a bunch of light and backdrop equipment. Over here in the corner is bags. So just a corner full of bags. Right here in the middle is miscellaneous. I have random stuff. I have those 2 bags full of cables. This is now empty, so I'm now figuring out what I'm gonna do with this and where I'm gonna put it. Right here is product boxes that I may or may not need to keep, as well as a couple of electronics and some cables that should probably be over here in this pile, but I haven't gone through this yet. And that is essentially it. That is everything that was in this closet. So let's take a look here. It is now completely empty. And I mean, man, it's almost kind of weird to see this closet empty like this. I've actually started putting things back into my closet as I'm organizing things, but look at this floor, man. This is just straight miscellaneous items. I have no idea what to do with these things. So what I did is I went to Home Depot and I picked up some plastic containers. So I'm going to use these to organize the rest of these things so that I can place them in the bottom of this shelf. So here's what I have done so far. You can see that up here I have my lighting equipment. Everything up here are all my bags. So I've got a nice spot for my bags. I got my camera boxes, computer boxes, home electronics, smart home boxes, cases, products I need to review or I have reviewed. And in here it's pretty much empty right now. So I'm going to fill this up with plastic containers and all this random junk, cables and things like that. And then this is just pretty much going to be a working cabinet where I move things in and out. So thank you guys for watching this video. I want to charge everyone here to look at their workspace, their creative spaces, and think of how you can organize and purge and go through everything so that you can create more effectively. I think it's crucial to have a clear space so that you can have a clear mind, so that you can really get in there and find things easily. YouTube is like the best job in the world because you can learn from other creators. So while you're trying to improve yourself, you can literally search on the same platform that you put content out on to learn about how to get better. Like, I just think that is just the coolest thing ever. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. I cannot wait to see what this video turns into. Cannot wait to see what this office turns into, because I'm really going to build this space out the way that I've always wanted. And holding a camera like this is how you get strong with 35mm. I'm gonna tell you that right now. This is tough. Anyways, I'll see y'all in my next video. Stay up.